Genetic variants that matter most in scoliosis. Scientists have discovered that certain genetic variants, small changes in your DNA, are more common in people with scoliosis. These changes don't mean you'll definitely get scoliosis, but they can increase your risk and make it harder for your body to stay in balance. That's why knowing which variants you have can be such a helpful tool. It gives you and your doctor a chance to create a plan that targets the real root of the problem, instead of just treating the symptoms. Some of the most important genetic variants linked to scoliosis include MTHFR, COMT, VDR, MAOA DAO, and HNMT. Each one affects the body in a different way, and together they can have a big impact on your spine, posture, and overall health. Let's start with MTHFR, which stands for methylene tetrahydrofolate reductase. This gene helps the body use folate, vitamin B9, and other B vitamins, which are important for building DNA, repairing cells, and supporting the nervous system. If you have a variant in the MTHFR gene, your body may have trouble turning folate into its active form. That means even if you eat foods with folate or take a regular multivitamin, your body might not be able to use it properly. This can lead to problems like poor detoxification, low energy, or trouble with brain and nerve function, all of which can play a role in scoliosis. People with MTHFR variants often need special forms of B vitamins called methylated B vitamins that their body can absorb and use more easily. Next is COMT, or catechol O-methyltransferase. This gene helps your body break down stress hormones like adrenaline and also plays a big role in how the body processes estrogen, a hormone that affects bone growth and muscle tone. If you have a COMT variant, your body might not clear out stress hormones efficiently. That means you could feel more anxious or tense, and your muscles might stay tight for longer periods of time. This constant tension can make scoliosis symptoms worse, especially in the back and shoulders. For people with COMT variants, calming nutrients like magnesium, B6, and certain amino acids can help balance stress levels and support smoother hormone processing, which can improve posture and reduce pain. Another key gene is VDR, which stands for vitamin D receptor. Vitamin D is one of the most important nutrients for bone health. It helps your body absorb calcium and build strong bones, which is especially important for people with scoliosis. The VDR gene controls how well your body responds to vitamin D. If you have a variant in this gene, your body might not use vitamin D as effectively, even if you're taking supplements or spending time in the sun. That can lead to weaker bones and a higher risk of curve progression. People with VDR variants may need higher levels of vitamin D or special forms that their body can absorb better. They also often benefit from taking vitamin K2 and magnesium alongside vitamin D to help the body use it properly. Then there's MAOA, which stands for monoamine oxidase A. This gene helps control the levels of certain brain chemicals like dopamine and serotonin. These chemicals affect mood, movement, and even how well your body handles stress. If your MAOA gene isn't working correctly, you might have trouble with emotional regulation or muscle control. This can make it harder for the brain to send clear signals to the muscles that support the spine. That may lead to poor posture, clumsiness, or difficulty standing or sitting straight for long periods. Targeted nutrients like specific amino acids, B vitamins, and mood-supporting herbs can help bring these brain chemicals back into balance for people with MAOA variants. The last two variants are DAO, diamine oxidase, and HNMT, histamine N-methyltransferase. These genes help your body break down histamine, a natural chemical involved in immune responses and inflammation. While histamine is important, too much of it can cause problems, especially in people who can't break it down properly. If you have DAO or HNMT variants, histamine can build up in your body and cause inflammation, headaches, digestive issues, skin problems, and even brain fog. High levels of inflammation can also affect your muscles, joints, and nerves, making scoliosis symptoms worse. By identifying these variants, doctors can recommend changes to your diet, like reducing high histamine foods, and provide supplements that support histamine breakdown, like vitamin C, quercetin, and DAO enzyme capsules. Knowing which of these genetic variants you have gives you a huge advantage. It means your care plan can be personalized, designed specifically for your body and your needs. Instead of guessing what supplements to take or what foods to eat, you can make smart choices that support your body at its core. This kind of care doesn't just treat the curve in your spine, it strengthens the systems that help your whole body function better. With the right support, your bones can grow stronger, your brain can communicate more clearly with your muscles, and your posture can improve naturally. So instead of wondering why scoliosis affects people differently, science is showing us that the answers may be in our genes. By understanding the most important genetic variants linked to scoliosis, MTHFR, COMT, VDR, MAOA, DAO, and HNMT, you can unlock powerful tools to support your health. And the best part? You don't have to wait until things get worse. With a simple cheek swab or saliva test, you can learn about your genetic makeup and start making changes right away. Whether you're a child, teen, or adult with scoliosis, this information can guide you toward better health, less pain, and a stronger, straighter spine for life.